Hey everyone, in this step-by-step guide, we will walk you through a simple but super handy customization. In this tutorial, you will learn how you can change iPhone's clock format, whether you prefer a 12-hour AM PM style or a 24-hour military style clock. I've got you covered, so let's dive in. Many people like to see time on their iPhone in a 12-hour format as they find it easier to understand, while others prefer a 24-hour format. No matter which camp you belong to, this guide will help you in setting up your iPhone or iPad in the format that works for you the best. Start by launching the Settings app and go to the General section. When you're on the General page, scroll down and tap on where it says Date and Time. Here you will find a number of options. The first toggle will let you choose between 12-hour and 24-hour clock formats. If you want a 12-hour clock format, then you should turn this toggle off. However, if you prefer a 24-hour clock on your iPhone, then you have to turn this toggle on. After you have made your selection, your device's clock format will update instantly. You can check it on the status bar or on the lock screen of your device to ensure it's set to your preference. And while you're here, consider enabling the Set Automatically toggle if it's not already on. This ensures that your iPhone automatically sets the time based on your location, so you're always on time. And there you have it. Quick and easy way to change your iPhone's clock format. If you found this tutorial helpful, then make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more iOS tips. And drop a comment below if you have any questions or ideas for future tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will catch you in the next one.